Hey guys, I want to show you what a Russian bakery looks like. So what we have here is your favorite of favorites, all your main meals that you would find in a Russian bakery. So you have pyrishki with мясом, which is with meat, and then you have the sweeter varietals here, which is also pyrishki with yabloko, which is apple, which is quite popular. And you have different meat dishes or different cheese dishes, and what you'll find is they all taste amazing. Now notice the prices, guys, were ridiculously cheap. So for a pirozhok, it's only 95 rubles, and I'll put up on screen what a pirozhok would generally cost, let's say in Sydney or something similar. But guys, as you can see, really cool place to eat, and you can also order yourself something called mors, which is it's like a fruit drink. Tastes really good. Yeah. See how little one's drinking right now. Bottoms up, guys. Oh, it's like Ribena, but real. It's beautiful. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. So this is a cheese. It's like a cheese. It's like a cheese pizza, or from Sydney, lahmacun, kind of similar to that. Bread's a little bit thicker, but it tastes really good. Got nice cheesiness to it, a little bit of garlic. Really soft bread. Definitely fill you up. So if you're looking to live in quite cheap, if you're living on a budget, great place to eat, great place to fuel yourself up. Alright, now here we have the pirozhok with мясо, which is the pastry of meat, basically. Look inside there. See the mince? Not over salted, not over seasoned. Really nice quality of mince. It's a more fatty variety. You'll probably be looking at about a 20% mince for this. So similar to burger mince. Incredibly soft, and that's how a pirozhok should be. Soft, it should be almost moist with the meat, and it shouldn't be over seasoned at all. You shouldn't feel like you're tasting a wide variety of seasons. It should be simple, enjoyable, and something that you can easily digest. And you'll find that about a lot of Russian food. It's not overly seasoned. And this pirozhok here, you'll find in a lot of different places. It's probably one of the main Russian staple foods. So, guys, have you tried a pirozhok? And if you have, what's your favorite? All right, last but not least, the bilash. So, once again, bread wrapped in a meat center. Incredibly soft once again. So, with the pirozhok, the mince was a little bit more spread out, like segregated, I guess. This is more like a burger patty in the center. Once again, light on the seasoning, light on flavor, but amazing texture in your mouth. Really soft and fluffy. Also, quickly guys, I wanted to show you, the price of a bread loaf here is only 50 rubles. So I'm going to put that up on screen, but there you go. So as you can see, full loaf of bread, 50 rubles. It's why living here in the Russian Federation, extremely affordable, especially by Western standards. And milk, bread, very livable. Eggs, very livable. Tomatoes, my personal favorite. I'm going to do a video on the supermarket, but yeah, you can definitely live quite well here. All right, IndulgeAndPair out. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're enjoying these little snippets and tidbits of everyday life in Russia, please give us a like and a comment of maybe somewhere where you think I should visit and check it out and do a review on. All right, IndulgeAndPair out.